oil filter housing. I didn't realize it goes all the way back here. It goes all the way back.
Wow, so that's a job, huh?
Yeah, it's a job. Morning, guys. We're here early. I beat Alex here. He's like, how are we gonna record videos when you're here before everyone and you already started? Well, here we go. I just started. It's already half, well, not half, you know, quarter of the way. Thanks for watching the last videos, by the way. Take a look at this. Bam! It's an Audi A4 2.0 turbo. Nice car. Common problem, same as Mercedes. Oil filter housing. Like, you gotta go deep in here so you can really notice how much oil gets in. It's a lot of oil builds up down underneath there.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
oh, what that means.
He's losing like 2 quarts every 2 weeks, every whatever, so a quart a week.
Yeah.
Yeah, so not only that, the car had me starting issues because this wire is a little clipped here. So it's a little fun video so you guys can learn. Try to, you know, at least I hope you guys do. But this is fun. Gotta love the oil. I gotta move the throttle body. I gotta strip all this. Wow.
Yeah, so you just remove this bracket holding those 2 clips on. Oh, what
I
else
gotta
we
take
got
this.
going on?
I gotta take this tube out. Gotta take this other tubing out because in front of the oil filter housing, I didn't realize it goes all the way back here. It goes all the way back.
Wow, so that's a job, huh?
Yeah, it's a job. What are we doing? I love you, baby. Trump, come on. Gotta find his oil leak. Yeah, it's leaking pretty bad, so we replace every gasket. This one, oil filter. When I pull this out, I'm gonna replace that gasket, the dipstick gasket, just to avoid all the leaks later on. I know I did it good the first time, so hopefully we avoid this leak again. Yay! Guys, a combination of oil leaks here. Come over here, this is my working board. So right here, it sits on the block, right here. Sits on the block right here. So this was leaking big time to the bottom edge here, and he was losing a lot of oil. So now I gotta get these parts from the dealer because I'm not gonna play around with cheap parts. I'm gonna get every gasket, like I said. Hopefully it'll be a job well done and my customer don't have to add any more oil besides the electrical problem he has. But yeah, at least he saves his engine, he could drive. Look at all that gunk in this. It was leaking for a while, especially on the bottom edge. Just look at all the buildup that's in there. You see all that buildup in that hole? So there was an opening here and it was just coming in. Whatever was leaking, whatever dirt was tracking from the bell housing, whatever, it was just going inside the filter from the top down because it was an open space. It only takes minimal space. You know, to avoid this, it's just oil changes, bro. Yeah. That's it. You do yourself an oil change, keep that filter clean. This especially these cars, right? It's different when you drive a
You can avoid the headache.
Yeah, I like my GM, you know what I'm saying? So like, when you drive a GM, it's diehards. But
So you're saying you could avoid the headache of what you're doing right now to this Audi if you just get regular oil changes?
yes, oil change. 40 bucks, 50 bucks. Get yourself some synthetic oil, which the car recommends, and keep up with the oil change. That's it. So sad. I can't finish. I went in here, just looking. Look at that. It's like a big chunk of the housing missing here for the oil passage. You can see it better. See that? It's no bueno. No good. I'm not gonna.
Right there.
Yeah, man. I'm not gonna go through all that work to have another leaky part.
Oh, so you need a whole new jammy, huh?
Whole new piece.
No.
Well, it's out. It's a good thing, but
To be continued, I guess. Huh?
yeah.
Yeah, you know that gas that you got for me, man? I'm sorry. But the whole filter housing yeah, man, I'm sorry, man.
So I got it. That's so beautiful. Haha. This is what I need. So there's nothing broken. It's brand new. Everything's brand new, brand new, brand new. They got every freaking gasket. Nice. Nice, nice, beautiful, beautiful. Voila. Yes. Let's see if they give us a new filter. Let's try it out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. So it came with everything. Nice. Came with the O-ring. Oh yeah. I'm so happy. I got everything, man. Wow, it's the first time. It worked out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I just gotta put everything back. Yay! Doing the final cleanup. I want to make sure the area is nice and clean. Gotta be beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful.
I'm so beautiful. Okay, all right. Maybe it's possible. Jack, you know you like that. Beautiful radio. Just like me.
All right, see this bad boy? This whole thing gotta go here.
Okay, so text that please. The money, the price wise, thank you.
Don't eat that way.
Okay, so take that thing tonight, so I come tomorrow with the money for you. I'll give you something today, right now if you want.
What? You want money? I need money.
No, I can give you money right now.
I don't know.
Yeah, figure out.
Let me take them out.
Okay, Izzy, about 10:30 I'm gonna come and go together, okay?
Si, senor. Okay, Jack. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Get all this rubber stuff off. Like the silicone gasket.
What are you doing down there?
It's a little tight, man. I can't tighten this sensor, the oil sensor. So So it's kind of awkward. My ratchet don't fit in there. So I gotta... Yep.
Oh.
You know that. I turned it on and she was like, I'm about to call over. And let them know it's a clutch because it comes out on top. Yes, sir. That's one.
Hey Izzy, where are we at?
Another day with this car. Had to buy all the gaskets, get everything, and they don't have everything in stock, so got everything now, putting the throttle body. Just plugging everything up back to normal, so we give this car back.
Oh yeah, it looks like it's coming together.
Yeah, somewhat, yeah.
Now I'm sweated, I'm blessed. It feels good with your head on my chest. She drives me crazy. I swear this girl is a pest. Still, I'll never know less. Look, I just want you your best. Now be
Oh, Izzy, how'd it go?
The final steps here. Changing the oil, because when I took the filter apart, all the coolant, everything went into one area, so I just want to be safe. You know, I don't want no coolant, no contamination. So changing the oil, and then out the door it goes.
Any recommendations for our viewers doing this at home?
You better know what you're doing.
Oh yeah.